Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a rich, delicious, healthy, creamy mushroom butter masala recipe. This recipe is a perfect when you want something comforting restaurant style but still light and made easily at home. Let's start with the mushroom. I am using 100 grams of mushroom. Wash them gently, pat them completely dry, slice them evenly. Drying them well is important so they saute nicely instead of releasing water. Now next step, heat a pan on a medium heat and add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Add a sliced mushroom, a pinch of sea salt, you can use regular oil also, and saute for about 5 minutes until they turn lightly golden and release their aroma. Once done, remove them from the pan, keep them aside. Now in the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil, half teaspoon of ghee, clarified butter. When it warms up, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, let them crackle. Now add a finely chopped onion, saute until soft translucent. Next add a half teaspoon of ginger paste, half teaspoon of garlic paste and 1 finely chopped green chilies, or you can use sweet chilies. Cook this for a minute until the raw smell disappears and everything smells fragrant. Now for the base, blend 2 small tomatoes with 5 soaked cashews in a smooth puree. Add this puree to the pan and mix well. I have soaked cashews 15 minutes before. Now it's time for the spices. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, salt as per your taste. Mix everything nicely. Let the masala cook on medium-low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of honey to balance the acidity of the tomatoes and make it glossy restaurant-style recipe. Cook this masala really well, stirring occasionally until it thickens, becomes glossy and the oil separating slightly on the sides. Once masala is cooked, now add a handful of chopped spinach. Mix well, cook for another 5 minutes until the spinach softens and blends into the gravy. Lower the heat completely, add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Mix gently and continuously so the yogurt doesn't split. This gives the curry a beautiful creamy texture without using cream. Now add the sauté mushroom back into the gravy. Mix everything together, let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes so the mushroom absorbs all the flavors. Now finish the curry with crushed kasuri methi, mixing it in gently for the classic butter masala aroma. Now turn off the heat, serve the mushroom butter masala hot with a small cube of butter on top and fresh chopped cilantro. This recipe, butter mushroom masala gravy, tastes amazing with hot rotis, naan or even jeera rice. It's creamy, healthy, comforting, delicious, perfect for both everyday meals and special occasions. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious recipes just like this. I will see you in the next video. Until then, see you. Bye bye.